Imagine a world where elegance meets opulence, where timeless beauty intertwines with contemporary allure and the most advanced technology. This is the essence of Raquel, steeped in tradition, yet daringly modern. Step into the world of Raquel and discover the true meaning of luxury, where classic meets contemporary and innovation knows no boundaries. We are thrilled to introduce our new, innovative, lightweight, heat-friendly fiber to our sheer luxury collection of lower density wigs. But it's not just the fiber that makes this new collection revolutionary. We've designed these styles with a new cap design that results in the most enjoyable wig-wearing experience you will ever have with all-day comfort. As with all Raquel Welch wigs, every detail in this new sheer luxury collection is meticulously crafted to perfection, exuding an air of effortless glamour that transcends trends and stands the test of time. Over a quarter of a century of unparalleled craftsmanship has been poured into each style. Follow me to see the future. Posh Premier features smooth layering with a fuller crown, face-framing bangs, and tapered sides and back. A chic and polished vibe worthy of any movie premiere red carpet event. Waves and Raves is a trendy, full-length bob with softly styled waves. A longer eyelash bang adds an air of flirtation that is sure to make heads turn. An iconic modern bob with blunt lengths, straight to camera, has an edgy, straight texture and an optional bang, offering a fresh appeal for your next big camera moment. Clavicle-length layers make up this contemporary style. Showrunner has soft, feathery layers throughout, giving this wig added movement and flexibility. Feature length boasts loads of layers that fall to mid-back, defining this soft, feminine cut. The gentle wave creates a timeless, classic, long-haired look that is guaranteed to turn heads. Our new heat-stylable FeatherLite fiber is truly a breakthrough. The fiber weighs less than the natural human hair, making it lighter than your own bio hair. The average weight is 30% lighter than current Futura fiber and is so light because the core of the fiber is hollow, just like a drinking straw. Our collections are for the discerning woman who seeks not just a wig, but experiences. And our new sheer luxury FeatherLite collection will provide endless moments of indulgence that elevate the everyday into the extraordinary. Grace the red carpets of Hollywood and the catwalks of Paris with unparalleled allure when you wear a new sheer luxury FeatherLite wig from Raquel.